Good morning, Ms. Mapang. I'm Kenneth Ejel W. Bathan from 2 Delta. So, the rational choice theory is a concept in criminology that suggests people commit crimes after making a careful and logical decision. According to this theory, a person weighs the potential benefits of committing a crime against the possible risk or punishment. If they believe that the rewards are greater than the consequences, they are more likely to commit the act. In a simple terms, criminals are not always driven by emotion or impulse. They sometimes think rationally. They ask themselves, what will I get from this, and can I get away with it? If the answer is yes and the risk seems low, they might decide to go through with it. Imagine a man who lost his job and needs money badly. He walks by a convenience store late at night and notices that there's no guard and only one cashier inside. He starts thinking, if I rob this store, I could get quick money. There are no criminals, so maybe I won't get caught. Even if I do, maybe the punishment won't be too harsh. After considering all this, he decided to commit the robbery in that situation. His rational calculation told him that the benefits money were greater than the cost, risk or arrest or punishment. However, the rational choice theory also helps explain how deterrent works. If the man believed that there were police nearby, security cameras recording him, or harsher punishments waiting for him, he might have decided not to commit the crime. That's why government and law enforcement try to increase the cost. Example, through stricter penalties, more police visibility, and faster trials, to discourage rational criminals for taking the chance. So, rational choice theory says crime is a calculated decision. People think about what they can gain versus what they can lose. When the risk seems low and the reward seems high, crime is more likely, but when the risk is high, most people will choose not to commit the crime. In the end, this theory reminds us that the crime prevention is not only about catching criminals, it's also about changing the condition that make crime seems like a good choice. If we make sure that the cost always outweigh the benefits, we can reduce crime in society. So, mao na yung naka-rational choice theory. Timbang-timbang nila ang choices na ilang buhaton. Thank you.